Now that one. And so when now thank you very much. And now then when we ask the question, what he said is this: the law gives me the responsibility to announce and declare results. And we said, but you can only do that from what we have verified. And we didn't actually know what had been verified. So he said, listen, people have been waiting the whole day.
You didn't know what had been tallied or verified?
We did not know what had been tallied.
Yeah, because verified was...
Yes, we didn't know. Because it is summarized in a county format, not constituency format as we had been announcing. And so he says, the law gives me the responsibility to go and declare results. And we asked, but Mr. Chairman, is this the commission result or this is your result? And he said, anybody who wants to work with me to declare results, follow me. And we are not children. And I realize that you did make a bit of a fuss around the word arrogance. So I am not going to use it. But that's how we felt. And Chebukati walked out and we were left because in the boardroom. And that's what I want to make very clear, that we were left in the boardroom. Amongst us, therefore, we say...
Allow me, Nyang'Aya, now that you have gone into the details, was that before or after the National Security Advisory Council set foot in Bomas?
It was at 4:30. The National Security had come at about 2 o'clock.
Okay.
We had finished with...
And just also by way of follow-up, so by the time Chebukati walked out to go to the main stage, that's what he was doing, isn't it? When he said, those who want to announce the results, follow me. So he was coming to the main auditorium.
I suspect that's what he was doing.
So between that time, the time he was just getting to the main auditorium to announce the results, that's the time you left for Serena? Or because that was great speed?
No, we stayed to consult. We said, what do we need to do right now? And we realized that we need to go and tell the country that we are not working together with Chebukati to the state to announce. So what then do we have to do? And we decided that we'll go to the press center, which is just out here. And we decided that we'll go there. And somebody said, no. Here, people will fight. It is dangerous. Can we go somewhere else? And we agreed that we'll go somewhere else.
Okay, just to be quick. So you left, Chebukati left you in the boardroom, he walked into the auditorium.
No, we don't know
where he went. He left. He said, those who want to follow me. Yeah. You are left seated in the boardroom.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Then as he announced, maybe that's when you went to Serena?
No. Because your announcement came before we were looking, there was a split screen.
The announcement came before Chebukati.
The time doesn't reconcile.
We were not in control of what Chebukati was doing after he had left the room.
Yes, but Chair.
Whether he had gone to the toilet or gone to the kitchen.
But Chair.
Yes.
These same commissioners who claim they have no idea what was being tallied, immediately the chairman said, those who want to announce the results with me, follow me. They don't know what has been tallied, quickly ran to Serena, and Cherera's words were that the votes have been, the announcement is 100.01%.
Which is